Hi, this short video is on how to roll over from one quarter to the next in your Moodle class. Basically, I'm in my advanced tech applications already. If I was in here and I went to the gradebook setup, I would go into the setup section. So I'm going to roll from second quarter to third quarter. I'm just going to hit the up down arrow next to second quarter, and then I'm going to go move it into the hidden and zeroed section. I hide everything inside this, and at the bottom of the hidden and zeroed, it should say that it's worth 0. You can see hidden and zeroed is worth 0. That way, the course total is only made up of what's not in hidden and zeroed. So the next thing I'm going to do is find third quarter. And I'm going to go ahead and hit the arrow next to third quarter. I'm going to move it all the way up top. And then I'm going to unhide third quarter. So I hit show on third quarter. And as the last thing I do is I show hidden and zeroed, and then I hide hidden and zeroed to make sure I reset all those hidden markers on everything in the class. And now I've got it so that my third quarter grade is going to be all of what the course total is made of in this class. And that's it for rolling over from one quarter to the next.